Hi everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we have something many have been waiting for, the new AirPods Pro 3. This promised to have the world's best in-ear active noise cancellation and a price tag of $249. Let's see if the experience justifies the price. And here's the famous white box. It's incredible how this design already feels so iconic. Let's open it by pulling these tabs, which is always more elegant than struggling with plastic. And the best part, they're the 2025 model. So we're looking at the newest of the new. And the first thing we find is the classic instructional manual, or as I like to call it, the paper I keep just in case. Underneath we have the ear tips, and it's not 4 as I thought, but 5 different sizes from extra small to extra large. This is new. Apple clearly wants everyone to find their perfect fit. And now what we have been waiting for, the AirPods case, wrapped in that satisfying plastic. Ta-da! Here they are. They feel incredibly well built. They have an IP57 water and dust resistant rating, so they'll survive many workouts or a casual encounter with the puddle. Look, the ear tip comes out like this, super easy. Just pull gently and pop, it comes off. To put it back on or put a new one on, just press it until it clicks. This is key for noise cancellation, which they say is the best in the world. And let's not forget the charging case. It has a charging port and this little lanyard loop on the side, so you can attach a strap or keychain and not lose this little 249 babies. Well, there you have it, the AirPods Pro 3 with their H3 chip, heart rate monitoring, and live translation. They sound like science fiction, but they're here now. Are they worth it? I'll decide that after using them. Subscribe, see you next time.